Hi guys, this video will be all about Skype, how to make a call, how to create a group chat, and how to send attachments. There will also be a tip at the end of the video. And my name is Maya, and I've been using Skype personally as well as at work, so I'm hoping I could help others learn more about it. Let me go ahead and share my screen so we can start. So welcome to Skype. This is the latest version of Skype, and I've already made some changes with the settings, so it looks dark. What we'll do first is create a group chat. All you have to do is click on the plus sign over here where it says new, and then click on that one. And then you can add the people you want to add into your group. Let's see, my sister and her fiance, son. And then just click start. There you have a group chat. You can rename the group, my group. You have the option for notifications also. The settings are basically here. And then you just click on save or the check mark. There, it's now changed to my group. Now, if you want to go ahead and send an attachment, you have the option to either send an image or a file. So sending an image, it's basically just like this one, sending your image. For files, these are for, let's say, music, documents. And then if you want to go ahead and call your friends, you just click on the call button. This is what you will see. If it's fine if the rest doesn't answer, but this is how it looks like if your friends answer your call. You'll see both of their profile pics, and then so there you can start your call with the group. You have the option to mute yourself and video if you want to use the video. You can still have the option to share your screen and the likes. So if you want to hang up, just click on the red button over here, and there your call has ended. Okay. I hope I was able to help you out, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll answer on my next video. If you think this has been helpful, please subscribe, like, or comment. Much appreciated. You have a good day, guys.